So I'm gonna tap, just like tap the light. You can do it however you want, okay? You can tap it anywhere. It doesn't have to be in just that spot. Oop, I just dropped it. And I'll go ahead and using a Fusioning Neon Calming. I love to get two of them combination together. Hey, it's phenomenal Snails. Hello, how are you? Thank you so much for tuning in. How are you? It's so good to see you at ABS Chicago. Thanks so much for stopping by and visiting us. And I'm gonna go ahead and using the Neon Calming. The neon is really pigmented, so you just probably need just a little bit. I'm excited to see these two colors is combined together. And then you can tap it everywhere or however you want. It doesn't have to be exactly in certain pans. So now what we're gonna do is using a crystal clear. What is makes Glitz Fusioning is so easy to flow and easy to design? It is because with my nails. Because of the no wipe top coat, matte top coat, and then the crystal clear. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a little bit of a crystal clear fusion ink, and I am going to just tap, 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 and then wherever you want your yours veins to be, you're going to tap it right in the middle, and you are going to blend it out. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, do you have a question?
No, just a lot of people coming in.
Oh, hey, thanks so much everyone. Oh my god, I'm loving this look. It's great, two colors together. It's like there's kind of marblings, and I want this one to be like off a little bit. Oh my god, it's so cool. You'll never go wrong with this. All you need is just little of a crystal clear. Tap it on, and then you can add more if you want to add more colors. I mean, add more of the pigment of the fusioning. So we have calming, and then we have is the delight.
It looks like some of those Chinese nail water painting. Like the side of a mountain with tree and with waterfall coming down.
Good to imagine it.
Yeah, it look like it.
Cool. All right. Looks really cool though. And I am going to do, really want to add some is really cool at like fall Halloween theme. Oh my gosh, that would be so stunning. Look at that. Cool. I like the backgrounds. It's really make it different. And I really want a flowers.
Might as well come in at the corner. Oh, like you say, the corner for crystal.
Yeah, I want this one. But I really want, look at that. And I really want the foil, the chamfer foil too.
So you can do the flower on that one?
And then chamfer foil on the other
on
one.
the next one, yes.
Ah, I want everything, I'm telling you. Okay, so now if you don't want anything, you can top coat and clear and you're good to go. But I am going to adding some is bending on it, and by using the gel painting Golden Touch, it's really like it looks shimmery platinums, looks finished cool, and just a little touch it will make also is really a different. And you can just like really soft touch. It doesn't have to be in the straight line. Where am I? And if you are having yours precision gel painting, precision brush, you can definitely use that as well. All right, I'm gonna flash key it for 30 seconds, okay? Hold on. I said it, but then I want this one too. Okay, flash here for 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna do this one for fall for you. And look at what I have. That one is the Blooming Rose, I believe. Is it called Blooming Rose? I think so. And I have a golden like leaves. I also want to use like 2 of them. But you know, so we're using one. And of course my is pumpkin spice. You know what? No, let me get one of this one. I'll be right back.
So now what this is done right here. This is from the fusioning. So she used the Burning Heart neon fusioning and the Tinking Green fusioning. I think she got like a dapper blue in there too. So the blue one, where was that? Yes. So it's neon calming fusioning. So you can get a set, or you can get single right on glitzextension.com.
I'm loving this glow in the dark crystal kits. Crystal pack. I love it beside the pumpkin's spice. I'm really upset if this one is perfect. So a lot of you will probably get this in like your treasure box. No, it's some treasure box. All right, so can you open this one? Because you see the pumpkin spice all the time. I love to share with you with this.
So now that's the gel painting color. It's Golden Touch. It's a little dark on the screen, but yeah. So when you get the gel and the inside, it's gonna look amazing.
This looks Golden Touch. It's just like it looked dark under the camera when the label, but then this is everything.
There you go. And Bonnie. So yes, you're gonna do fishing over top coat, and remember, it needs to be matte top coat, so the ink will soak. If you do over shiny top coat, it will just slide out.
Can you get this one open? Alright, so you do that, and I'm gonna get that going. Alright, so I'm go ahead and using these condensed glue gels. We're gonna add the beautiful crystal placements on this along with the super adorable rose and a 3D handcrafted, and then I have a little crystals on the sides. I'm really loving this. Is flowers. It's perfect for fall. And here is a condensed glue gels. If you are having it's really a hard time or troubleshooting with your crystal placement, this will be definitely gonna be your bestie on your desk, because it will adheres all the crystal charms and chains, and it keep it last up until you are going to remove the crystal away. So applied one is good coat, not too thin, not too thick. You don't want to be too, you don't want to be too thin because it's not going to adhere your crystal properly. If you don't want it to be too thick because it's going to flood your crystal, so you want to give it enough. And then the purple one too, sorry. I'm loving this. This pack is everything. Don't forget to do your no wipe top coat right on the top. This way is going to be finished after you're done, and also it will going to grab the base of your crystals and it keep your crystal in one place. This a whole pack is a lot. It's like 5 times of the crystal jars. Sorry. Here you go. All right. I'm gonna add 1 leaf. I'm so in love with this. Is the glow in the rocks. It's like, I think it's like the orange base. Oh, nice. Why just smaller one? I love the purple. This on everything. The pack had so much in there. So many. Like 1,000 pieces. So I'm using like an orange base and purple base. And get some beads on it. I will add the rose in a little bit. Oh my gosh, this nail is so adorable. How's everyone doing? Happy Tuesday. I'm so excited. As usual, I'm always busy and I will not forget to being in with everyone unless I'm like really packed busy that I couldn't even breathe. Then you don't see me here. But I'm telling you, it's really excited to see everyone, and thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to share with you for past 3.5 years. We are moving forward to the 4th years, and we wouldn't be here without every single of you. And throughout 3.5 years, we got an honor to see so many of, you know, people, audience, customer, our students to be really successful, and then it's like a massive growing in their business, which is awesome. Such a big like rewards for Glitz as well as in myself. So I'm gonna keep adding it as I talking. I know I just like a lot of memory come back, because this is our 4th years doing this really cool tutorial for you in fall and Halloween seasons. And you know that every year with different looks. And if we're looking back at some of our videos, a lot of video for a different season, it was, hold on, it looks really good.
I don't even think you need the flower.
No, I want the flowers.
I'll put it up with that.
Huh? Should I do this flower then?
Sure.
No, I want this flower. I want that flowers. That's what I leave it there for.
No, so flash cure it quick.
Oh my god, it's so adorable. And it's, oh, I forgot to show you in the base. The base is so cool though, because the base has curves and a seekers. So then when you go in here, let me show you this.
It's okay.
Oh, it's like,
It stay, it wrap around the nails, it's fit perfectly.
he's afraid that his rose is gonna be gone. Hold on, let me add a couple crystal right here.